Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Way to Crack IELTS, and today's topic is describe a tradition in your country. So before starting, if you have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe it and hit the bell icon. So let's begin. In India there are lots of cultures, and in those cultures there's a tradition that youngers are taught to touch the feet of their elders. Even I have been taught since my childhood, and this gesture symbolizes that we bow down to the elders' energy, their age, their spirituality and their wisdom. Even when we touch their feet, we get greatness and we get strength. This is believed in Hindu culture, and it is being scientifically proven that whenever we touch the feet of our elders, it enhances the blood circulation in our body, which help to improvise our health. Along with that, whenever we touch the feet with our hands, the energy is transferred from one to another, where elders being the those who transfer the energy, and youngers, those who touch the feet, they are the receptors of energy. Along with this, whenever we touch the feet of our elders, it is believed that children are taught that they are putting their ego aside and they are bowing down to elders. So I feel great whenever I do this, and even I have been taught since my childhood. Even I would like to teach this to my children in future, so that I can keep alive my tradition and some of the moral and ethical values in the society. So everybody should teach this tradition to their children, those who belong to Hindu culture. And even this trend is also followed in some of the other countries as well nowadays, because most of the Western countries are following our tradition, and even they are copying our cultures. So we should also keep this alive, and we should also do this. But there is some things which people rarely know, that in Hindu culture, girls are not allowed to touch the feet of their elders, as they are believed to be the progeny creators in our culture. So before marriage they are not allowed to touch the feet of anybody. So after marriage they have to touch the feet, because they also need energy, a lot of energy, to do their household chores and for some other reasons as well. So after marriage they are also allowed, but before marriage they are not allowed. So that's all about the tradition which is followed in my country. Thank you so much. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends. Thank you so much.